Hello everyone, this is Eileen and welcome back to my channel. So this video is a continuation of our National Museum of Indonesia walking tour. These displays of traditional textiles provide a glimpse or a window of how rich Indonesian history was. So you can see this displays showcase exquisite artistic skills that go into the making of these Indonesian textiles. So come with me and let's explore more of these collections. Beautiful designs here. Textile as identity. I'm guessing this is a batik textile. Beautiful. Look at this traditional headdress. Hi there. Hi. That's the headdress. And I found my favorite. I'm not sure if I can read that. Horace something. But anyway, I love woven clothing. So yeah, that's my favorite. This one's also very elegant looking. Look at that. And these are their, I don't know, traditional clothing or probably ceremonial clothing. I'm not sure. But look at that. Cute. More designs, more beautiful designs in here. That looks familiar from like Mindanao clothing something. And we have more collections here. Jewelry collections, headdress, hats, and more. Now let's move to the ceramic gallery, and the collections that you can see here are from different parts of Asia, including the Middle East. And we have here different collections from Thailand. Look at that frog. Kind of scary. Okay, beautiful, beautiful collections. Now let's check out the beautiful ceramics from Myanmar. Look how beautiful that is. Then we have collections from Vietnam. Oh, I love this. It's cute. Very nice. Oh, this plate, or yeah, this giant big plate. This is my favorite. I love that. Beautiful jar. Wow. And this one's from Japan. Japan is Japan. These are from Japan. Ceramics from Japan. Not so much, not a lot, but still beautiful. Now let's move to, what country is this? Oh, Europe. And then we have Thailand. Okay, so these are from Europe. Jars, beautiful jars. Wow. And then from Thailand. Wow. Look how amazing that these are. And then look at that. Thailand. Wow. Beautiful collections. This is from Timor Tengah. So this is Middle East. Yeah, Middle East, right? Timor Tengah. Then we have beautiful collections here. Wow. King Bai. Where's King Bai? Probably China. I don't know. Wow. These are like very rich collections, or collections of rich people in the ancient times. Oh, that's weird. But I love that. Beautiful. We have more collections here from China, I guess. Beautiful collections of jars. Wow. Oh, this one's my favorite. Wow, look at that. Like two swans, beautiful swans drinking from the jar. Still from China, Tang Dynasty. Amazing. Wow, I love this green jar too. Look at that. And of course, still from China, these beautiful China wares. Beautiful vases, plates. This looks very expensive. Wow. Look at those designs. Imagine they were in Tang Dynasty, so they were like old designs, but very beautiful. Okay, now let's go back to, these are from Vietnam, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these are ceramics from Vietnam. Okay, I'm not sure if these are, yeah, these are bowls, jars, plates. So they just put this collection in one. Amazing. Wow. It's nice. Now let's move on to the Terracotta Gallery. Look at how beautiful this door is. Amazing. Look at those details, designs and details. And this scary pot. I don't know what it's called. Ooh. So these are the ceremonial equipment. Okay, jars. And I don't know the others. I don't know what they're called, but they are used for ceremony. Then we have a lot of collections here. Pottery section. It's beautiful. Wow, amazing. Now these are coin banks. The culture of saving. So yeah, these are coin banks. That's interesting. This is cute. Wow. Okay. This one is for daily life equipment. So this is like their pots. Okay. Stove, kettles. These are for cooking equipment. That's cute. Interesting. Amazing. Okay, some more collections here. Pottery collection. Wow. So this is the history. Pottery history, early life. Okay. Oh, interesting. Now let's check out that green door over there. That's the bronze gallery. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!